Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making my special vegetable soup. Trust me, you would want to save this for later. Now let's go into it. Heat up your palm oil, and I added little of groundnut oil or vegetable oil into it. Go ahead and fry your onions until the flavor is out. Now this is the game changer. While frying your onions, try and add curry powder into it, and guys, the aroma is amazing. Now you go ahead and add your pepper mix it and make sure it fries properly. That was my tomato. Now I'm adding the habanero pepper into it. Once it's done frying, you pour your protein. Here I'm using beef. You season it properly. You can use any protein of your choice, and I also added pomo and smoked fish. In Nigeria they call it kpanla. Once that is fried properly, you stir and go in with your fresh vegetables. I am using ugu leaf here. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So please, if you enjoy my video, I would love you to like, share and subscribe. You can pair this with any food, with rice, with fufu, with eba, with pounded yam, anything of your choice. You can always also use this with plantain. Thanks for watching.